On April 2022, UK Home Secretary Priti Patel announced a new immigration plan to send people seeking asylum in the UK to the Republic of Rwanda. The idea has been explained under the pretext of stopping smugglers from creating an industry by endangering people's lives. The Conservative government says the measures would reduce numbers crossing the English Channel. Patel's plan has been motivated also by financial considerations. However, Patel's plan is problematic in various aspects. First, the plan is violating international humanitarian law. The UN High Commissioner for Refugees has expressed many concerns for Rwanda about its capacity to properly handle asylum seekers, while underlining that the plan would violate legal obligations of the Convention relating to the status of refugees, also known as Geneva Convention. The regulation may violate the principle of non-refoulement as defined in Article 33(1) of the Geneva Convention. While the agreement states that asylum claims of transferees will be processed in Rwanda following the Geneva Convention in international law, significant is the fact that the principle of non-refoulement applies not only to a person's country of origin, but also to third countries such as Rwanda. Sending asylum seekers to another country may violate the principle of prohibition of torture, inhumane or degrading treatment as defined in the Article 3 of the European Convention of Human Rights. Thanks to the application of European Court of Human Rights interim measure procedure under Rule 39, the first deportation flight scheduled on June 14th did not take off. The court stated that asylum seekers transferred from the United Kingdom to Rwanda will not have access to fair and efficient procedures for the determination of refugee status. The court also stated that there are doubts if Rwanda is a safe third country. Second, it is hard to accept that the plan is financially in favor of the UK. Matthew Rycroft, Permanent Secretary at the Home Office, said that he does not believe sufficient evidence can be obtained that the policy will have a deterrent effect to demonstrate value for money. Furthermore, the UK will have to pay Rwanda millions of sterling as an upfront payment and will continue to pay per thousands of sterling per asylum seeker. Lastly, contrary to what the UK government expects, illegal channel crossings continue to increase despite the plan. The data shows that as of August 2022, more than 15,500 people have crossed the English Channel since the policy has been introduced. According to Border Force Union officials, in 2020, 8,404 migrants crossed the channel. In 2021, the total was 28,526 people. As of September 2022, more than 40,000 people have arrived in the UK by small boats this year, most of them after the plans. It seems that people continue to follow a route that they feel compelled to take at the risk of their lives. Government's data shows that 2/3 migrants who reach the UK coast by small boats come from countries where they have been forced to flee their homes because of war or fear of persecution. In this case, it is clear that humanitarian responsibility under international law should not be shirked. ASSEDEL hopes that this plan will be revised in line with international law and a human rights-based approach. If the goal is to stop human trafficking, it is not an efficient way to proceed. There is no doubt that there are other ways to target criminal gangs and deal with the migration problem.